Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks. And I am with Lenny. This is Lenny. Yes, I speak to trees. I speak with nature. Actually, oh my God, I'm in a cemetery. I'm in a cemetery. I swear to God, I thought I saw a person over there walking. But nobody's there, so okay. All right, so this is Lenny. Okay. And Lenny has a message for us. So I'm going to put the phone down and leave it like this. Or I'll hold the phone like this so I can get the message. Give me one moment. Hi. You have a message. Yes. What's your message? Play with the wonder of humanity. Play with its essence. So many things are about you that most do not notice. Look at the pebble in the sand. Look at the grains in the sand. There is so much in a simple grain of sand. Don't let the size fool you. Don't let the supposed insignificance of the grain of sand dissuade you from examination of it. There is enough on the planet Earth to look at, to gaze into for eternity. Boredom should not be present within your reality. For boredom occurs when awareness has been forgotten, when connection has been pushed aside. A playful attitude is a must amongst nature. Nature wants to play with you, but you must look, you must examine. Take your time while doing this. Set yourself apart from others. Who do not wish to partake in the beauty of what nature has to offer. Sorry, that truck just Okay, give me another moment. It just took me out of the zone here. I'm still self-conscious about people walking by, wondering why I'm touching a tree and talking. So, okay, give me one moment. Place your hands on the earth. Feel the coolness penetrate your essence. Close your eyes. This will help with distraction. A careful planning of nurturing of the self through nature, through all that surrounds you, must be put into practice as it feeds your soul in ways you can only imagine. In fact, it is beyond most imaginations. Not all, but most. Pleasure, an enlightened state of being, a fullness of the chakra system, activations on a soul level. This is only, wait a minute, this is only scratching the surface of what can be had within the earth, within you, within existence. Everything has presence. Everything. A chair you may look at and think, that's just a chair. It is an inanimate object. While yes, it is inanimate, it is full of potential at a level not yet discovered within your realm. Connection with even things, as you call them, have presence, have much to offer you. Things are truly treasure. All trash is treasure. All things make up existence. Do not separate things from the living, as they are connected. They are one with you. Connecting with the spirit of a chair, for example, you will begin to feel what the chair experiences. It exists because of creation. It exists out of creation. Therefore, it experiences creation in its own way, in a way different from other things, other living things, non-living things. This takes practice. This takes courage. Most would think you are out of your mind for connecting with the chair, for connecting with the tree. They would be right. Because it is not only the mind connecting. It is your soul, your essence, your heart that connects. Your heart feels, your heart speaks to everything. You only need but listen. Is that it? Thank you. Can you clear my chakras, please? And open my crown. Thank you. Thank you, Lenny. All right. Well, it is so freeing to do this. I cannot even tell you. So I hope you're enjoying the information from this new channel, Nature Speaks. I am surely enjoying it. It was actually the beginning of my other channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot. It started with messages from nature, it turned into tarot. So that's another story, but we're here, and I'm here, and Lenny's here, and the trees speak to humanity. And I am so privileged and honored to be chosen to deliver these messages. So you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Namaste.